Hello and hi, my lovely viewers. Mr. Aries is back to you with 5 truths of life and your real recognition. So let's take start with 5 truths of life. Truth number 1. Nobody is real in this world except your parents. Truth number 2. A poor person has no friends. Truth number 3. People don't like good thoughts, but they like good looks. Point number 4. People respect the money, not the person. Truth number 5. The person you love the most will hurt you the most. But you don't need to be worried at all, because I am going to tell you your hidden powers, your real recognition. So, have a pen and a paper and write it. You were born with potential. You were born with goodness and trust. You were born with ideals and dreams. You were born with greatness. You were born with wings. You were not meant for crawling. So don't. You have wings. Yes, you have wings. Just learn to use them and fly. Take care of yourself always. Bye-bye.